Chapter 3, Operation and Safety, Utility Rail Operations. Army operating with the utility rail, Army installation, possessing, tracking, and operating with the connecting commercial carrier unless it is not economically operated with the feasible to do so. Lease contract approval authority lease for the contracts related with the utility railroad operated vested with the installation commander of the IMCOM. They will be responsible for reviewing any of the leasing contracts made with their subordinate activities. 3-2 Rail Safety. All commands and agencies operating with using Army-owned, rented, laced, or utility rail equipment will develop an implementation rail safety program. The program will comply with the applicable safety procedures using the following publications as a guide when appropriate: General Code of Operation, Technical Manual 55203, Title 49 CFR 200-299, AAR Interchange Manual, AAR Hand Training, Air Brake and Train Handling Rules, General Operation Orders, Army Rail or Operating Bulletins, Installation Maximum Speed to determine the category track within the Army Category A track is considered to be between the FRA classes 2 and 3. Speed limited to 35 miles per hour unless approved by the rail officer. The rail dispatcher determine the work speed of the trains with their area of responsibility. Service will be suspended with the minimum the track safety standards are not met, and temporary operating restrictions will put in place the installation certified track inspector. The certified track inspector will immediately notify the installation transportation officer or leave with written any track conditions requiring the train operation to be restricted, suspended, and projected repair date. The installation transportation officer will immediately notify the installation director of public works of any of the adverse conditions found while operating the rail equipment. The track will be inspected frequency stated within TM 5628. The Chapter 2, the accident notification addition with required with the DA PAM 385. 40 will follow as notifying IMCOM rail officer within 3 working days of the non-serious rail incident. Immediately notify IMCOM Operations Center for any derail accident resulting in deliberate injury or debilitating injury or death. Immediately notify the IMCOM operation with the accident incident involving the motor vehicle with the pedestrian with the grade crossing and any installation of the track. For accidents in paragraph 32C and 32C3 below, accident investigation team will proceed with the site accident immediately. The team will consist of the IMCOM rail operation officers, designated representative, design supervisor, locomotive engineers from the transportation school, Fort Udas, chief of the Defensive Generator Rail Center. Defensive Generator Rail Center, design representative, the Transportation School, Rail Safety Officer, the team leader for the senior member of these 4 activities on site. The goal of this team is to investigate the circumstances surrounding the accident and, if possible, determine the cause relation to accident, including the extenuating circumstances, interview with the personnel with the established facts, determine operational deficiency that could be contributing cause, download an event recorder. Identify the training of the necessary to preclude with the reoccurrence of the accident, publish lessons learned and address required procedural changes, support any of the outside agencies' investigation of accidents, for example, the FRA National Transportation Safety Board, so on, provided with the garrison commander manager of the documentation report of the survey as necessary. 3-3 operator and certification. The installation of one or more locomotives and tangible distribution allowance will employ with the contractor for the service at least 2 certified locomotive engineers. Certified locomotive engineers will have to check ride with the DSLE and annually pre-certification required with the triennially. Army of the DSLE is located with the Transportation School of the Fort Udas, responsible for the certification, recertification, and instrument and the Installation Management Command, Army Military Command. Might maintain the DSLE installation operation authorized to assist the Army DSL needs with the avoid distribution mission. The prospective of the certified locomotive engineer candidate is issued with the office of the 345 of the user motor vehicle's operation and identification card, with the learner's permit valid only when accompanied with the certified locomotive engineer. Candidate must be written with must pass a written test and technical bulletin 601. Candidate must comply with the Title 49 CFR Parts 240 10111, 241 113, 241 115, 241 117, 241 119, and 241 121. Each candidate will have a minimum 6 months experience, train crew, brakeman switcher, 6 months as an engineer in training. The revocation certification according to the Title 49 CFR 24307, reciprocal relationship between the Transportation School with the Fort Udas Instrumental Command, Installation Management Command, and one of the other DSLE investigation officers. All right, 3-4 rail crew qualification. All rail crews were receiving training in the crew operation. Initial civil contractor personnel will train Viva on the job, documenting the retained training card record. First year, crew members will attend the 80-hour rail crew qualification course at Fort Eustis. These individuals will attend to be awarded with the 88U military occupational specialty. Will attend the locomotive engineering certification course, having worked commercial railroads for at least 2 years, having been in the presence of the rail crew job for at least 3 years, except from the initial 80-hour rail crew qualification course. Sustainment training will be consist of the web-based instruction, hands-on installation, as well as daily safety training. Installation, rail crew operational personnel responsible for conducting, performing, refreshing training. Qualification training will be accomplished as Viva the web-based test.